Parents, are your kids struggling with negative self doubt, maybe lack of confidence or self esteem? Maybe they have a lack of friends or not making new friends at school. Well, I want to introduce you to a new program that we have here at smartsocial.com. It's called our Teen Life Coaching Program for parents and teens. A lot of parents are coming to us, and you know that we serve school districts all over the country, and we're honored to have our 54 plus live events across the country. And we love our school district partners who distribute this to parents just like you. But as we go through this and train parents how to keep their kids safe, we find that a lot of parents are overwhelmed with how do we help their kids to be happy. And with all the devices that we've seen students have these days, and they're getting them younger and younger, we're developing a new program. Now, I've personally invested in some brand new staff members here at smartsocial.com, and we're investing in personal relationships with some of our VIP parents. Now, if your school district has already partnered with us, there's a huge win for you. But let me tell you what the program is first. There's a lot of struggles parents have, and I want to show you some of them here just real quick. First of all, here's some of the key concerns parents are mentioning to us. One of our new coaches has met with over 1,000 parents. A lot of parents are saying they have negative self-talk or self-doubt. My kid they're lacking self-confidence or self-esteem. They have a lack of friends, no friends, or the wrong friends. Maybe they have screen addiction, gaming systems. I mean, you can see these are the top 12 that we're seeing. And if any of these are ones you're going through, we are now introducing this new program. I'm investing in it heavily. Normally it's valued at about $100 to meet with our professional. We're discounting that for a limited time to $10. Why are you doing that? Well, I have a foundation. I'm able to do this. I get a lot out of this. My team then learns from you how we can help more parents. So there's a win-win. We'll give you resources. If your school district is a VIP partner, we will refund the $10 then a couple days later. So this is 100% free if you show up to the event. You have to show up, have your camera on, meet with our professional, and we learn from each other, and we navigate these waters together. Some of our goals are, we're going to figure out how do we help kids in the long run. You know me, I'm the founder of smartsocial.com, and I have a huge vision for how do we help students, how do we find out what the struggles are, and how do we help parents to navigate these waters? I hope you'll take us up on this. We don't have this whole thing figured out. We're learning as we go, and we have a lot of great people on our team. I mean, the most incredible people. These new staff members cost me a lot of money. I hope you will take us up on this, try it out, help us, and in return, we'll help your family, hopefully, to help your kids be safe on social media so they can someday shine online and also have that amazing joy on the inside. I'm Josh Ochs, the founder of smartsocial.com. I hope you take us up on this, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Have a great day.